I am capable. In the law of attraction, when you say I can, your mind becomes strong. Your energy becomes strong. Your confidence grows. Hello everyone. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. I hope you are feeling positive and ready to learn. In today's lesson, we are learning something very powerful, both for English and for your life. We are learning I can sentences. In the law of attraction, when you say I can, your mind becomes strong and you start to believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, amazing things come into your life. So let's begin. The phrase I can means I am able to do something. It is a positive sentence. It gives you confidence. In the law of attraction, I can is a powerful thought. It attracts success because it gives your brain a clear message. I am capable. So today we will practice these strong sentences. Let's learn some easy verbs we can use with I can. Repeat after me. Speak. Learn. Understand. Improve. Try. Great job. Now let's practice simple English sentences with I can. Repeat slowly after me. I can learn English. I can speak clearly. I can understand new words. I can improve every day. I can try my best. Wonderful! When you say I can, you send a positive message to your mind. Your energy becomes strong. Your confidence grows. But when you say I can't, your mind becomes weak. Your motivation goes down. So always choose the powerful sentence. I can. Now think for a moment. What can you do? Say this with me. I can learn new things. I can change my life. I can attract good things. Very nice. Today we learned the meaning of I can. 5 new verbs. Simple positive sentences. How I can helps your law of attraction energy. You did an amazing job. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video. Subscribe to LELTA and comment below. I can improve every day. Your comments always motivate me to make more lessons for you. See you in the next lesson. I can improve every day. But when you say I can't, your mind becomes weak. Your motivation goes down.